Hey guys, I am Jaideep here. Today I'll be talking about in very short video when the CGPA matters and when it doesn't. So, in case if you want to go for the BARC, ISRO, DRDO, right? In these PSUs, your CGPA matters. Sometimes wins Mary. Most often you will find that 65% is the criteria. Okay, then in the foreign universities like in Germany or Singapore, they might ask you to submit your CGPA, or it can be one of us a requirement. Now in case of admission to NITI, those who don't need know NITI, NITI is the college which is offers you the MBA equivalent degree. Okay, I'm not saying the same MBA degree, on the basis of, and it takes the candidate on the basis of gate score. Okay, those of you don't know, remember this, and it's the only college in India. Okay, let me mention that. So NITI also has some requirement for your CGPA if you are taking admission through the gate, right? So these are the some of the times when it will matter. And also the year 2020, in MTech admission, CGPA were had given some weightage. Okay, so one of my friend is in IIT Kharagpur now doing her MTech. She told me that CGPA had some weightage during the admission process in the year 2020, but it was just because of COVID. Okay, it was because of COVID, and it's highly means it happened first time that some the CGPA were taken into consideration, and till date GATE had never taken CGPA into consideration. Sorry, IITs never take CGPA into consideration for the admission of the MTech. So even this year the CGPA were not asked anywhere in the forms and the admissions. So if you are want to do your MTech from the IITs or NITs, CGPA won't be a question. Similarly, if you want to do your MS at IITs or ISC, again that won't be a problem for you. Or if you want to do the PhD like from IISC or the TIFR, again it won't be an issue for you. Okay, and again the normal research like various colleges offers the very specific research that, like in IISc we had research in AI, so some people take admission into MTech AI side courses, right? So these are the things where it won't be matter, your CGPA won't be asked. So just keep those things in mind. If you are planning to go for PSU, just try to maintain a certain amount of CGPA which is been mentioned. If you just Google it, you will get the criteria for each and every PSU, and keep that thing in mind while preparation. Okay, so I will end this video over here only. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed this video. It would be very nice if you subscribe, but please turn off that notification thing so that you won't get distracted. Take care of your time and take care of yourself, guys.